Learn about paid traffic for affiliate marketing, getting you high quality leads on autopilot while you sleep. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on the content provided for you. Jason Hopkins here. So you're tuned in for the first time, wondering what exactly is paid trade traffic and how you can apply this to your niche as an affiliate marketer. One good traffic source affiliate marketers like to use, and I use it myself, that's generated leads on autopilot, is called solo ads. Now, if no one has educated you yet on solo ads, leave me a comment below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. So, solo ads in a nutshell is basically when you pay a vendor to send your offer or your opportunity or your capture page to the vendor's list. Now, another benefit is having someone opt in to your offer that's going to help build your list. So some vendors, they have people on their list that's always looking to buy. And then there's some vendors that's only looking for something that's basically free. Now, you want to keep in mind, anytime that you buy from a vendor and your traffic is not, converting well, if your opt-in rate is anything below a 35%, I suggest don't buy from that vendor. Another reason why your traffic may not convert well, and it's not necessarily the vendor's fault. Maybe the capture page's funnel doesn't captivate, that person's interest. So be sure, to have a good capture page or a squeeze page that's gonna get people to click your offer. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is cost. Keep in mind, these vendors, they need your business, right? So you don't really need them. If what you're doing is working, that it doesn't cost you, if you're doing free marketing and it's working for you, continue. But also with solo ads, you want to try to keep, costs low. You want to set a monthly budget on how much that you're willing to spend. Also, you want to get educated on solo ads by clicking the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on valuable content. And be sure to watch the previous video on how to avoid being taken by gurus in your industry. I will see you in the next video.